Hi guys, pure price action here. It's the end of day recap for 8th of July and broad plans for the 9th of July tomorrow. So starting off, I'm just going to look at the recap of what happened in S&P today. So I had a sell order in at 31.73. You can see here price level of 31.72 spot 55, so just under half point away. I had a sell order there and I was looking for a new low down here at 31.30ish, so it got down to 31.36. It almost clipped the entry and dropped down, nearly hit the target, but anyway, nearly doesn't pay the bills. So hopefully some people avoided nearly and actually scaled in around this level somewhere and caught some of this move. So the outlook for tomorrow then, I'm looking at overnight for this area here to act as support. Hopefully when I come back in the morning it will have contained any pullbacks during the night. If it does, I'm going to look to get long, and I'm going to look for these levels up here on the long side. It looks like price may be turning here after this sort of late in the day recovery, so that hopefully will be a theme that continues tomorrow, and it'll continue to push higher. If that doesn't, then I think we're probably going to push down to 31.20 if this area gives tomorrow. Again, subject to these lows breaking. Looking at the Dow, so similar to S&P on the Dow, I had a sell order at 26.120. Price came in here, I think 26.111 was the highest on IG, so about 9 points shy of the entry level, and clearly, it dropped quite nicely there. Very sharp moves, which is very good, but then you can see this sharp recovery into the end. So provided that continues, I think, again, I'll look for support in this coming into the morning session. And if that holds, I'm going to look for a target of this area up here tomorrow. So let's see what happens there. Again, if this breaks, then I think there's some downside, but I think downside might be limited to, I think, the Sunday night, Monday morning open lows around 25.550s area, if that gives. But let's see. I'm expecting this to hold, and for price to have turned and make a run higher from here. So we'll see where it is tomorrow. And turning then to DAX. DAX, I had a target this morning of I wanted to enter short actually around 610, this area here, and I was looking for a target ultimately of in the 12,400s. Let me just check my target level. There was 12,481, 12,550. So yeah, so around this area here, which got hit ultimately. Unfortunately, what happened is I entered short around there. Price dropped a little bit, moved my stop because it was that new spike. Thankfully, I didn't get spiked out on that, and price fell down afterwards. Again, it's turned. So tomorrow it's very much a case of looking for this spot here on all indices. Actually, if you look at this area of congestion, I'm looking for that to act as support, and provided it does, we should be good for more upside. So if I come in the morning, price is around there, I'll look for some sort of pullback there to buy, and looking for then another leg up from there. Again, ABC seems to be my favorite pattern, but it's worked, so stick with it. ABC should bring us up to 12,650, 700-ish tomorrow or day after. FTSE, I don't normally look at FTSE too much here, but what I will do, is actually my favorite of all the indices. FTSE is a bit of a mixed bag. I think, again, same as the others, it looks to have bottomed. I'm going to look for this area here to act as support. So when we come in tomorrow, oops, got the wrong thing there. There we go. This area here. So look for price action here to be supportive, and if it is, then we're good to go. Hopefully for another leg higher. Can't seem to get my my lines right today. I don't know what's going on. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right. Good. So that's the plan for tomorrow. Look for support at these areas on all indices, and if we come in tomorrow and prices held up relatively well, we'll look to buy. That's it. Have a good night and see you tomorrow.